What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Matt's Garage. Yes, I'm going to be doing a LED headlight install tutorial. I already installed them, not going to lie. It's not going to be as hands-on, but I'm definitely going to inform you guys where to find everything. I'm going to start with the driver's side, as you can tell. So, for your daytime running light, it's going to be next to the washer fluid reservoir. It's right there. Easy to get, easy to access, no problem. There's a brown clip plug. And yeah, so that's for the daytime running light. I didn't do high beams, so I'm actually not sure they are. But the low beams, there's another one. This is the low beam socket, and that's the low beam bulb. It's an H11 bulb. The daytime running light is a 9005. This is a 2018 Subaru WRX. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna get a I think it's 11 or 10 millimeter. Remove these nuts, take the bracket off, move it over, and it's right there in silver. The plug for it is black. I don't see any hardness colors, so it's just black to get that one. And then for the boomerang, which I also put an LED light, it's a 194 bulb. It's a little bulb. It's the same thing for the interior and the back trunk light, but it's literally even farther to the left than the low beam one. And it's like a little pop socket. It's like a socket. It's not like how these bulbs are. It's literally like you pull it out and you like pull the little bulb. I think I have it in here. The bulb. No, I don't. It's in the other box. But anyways, moving on to the passenger side. What you're gonna do is, for the intake vent, there's these two clips. They're gonna pop out, and when you pop out these clips, you slide this to the right and it comes right out. The daytime running light is also super easily accessible if you have small nifty hands. Right here, you don't have to move it to do that one, but to do the low beam and the boomerang, same thing applies. Low beam's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep, right there. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna unhook this. You get an 11 millimeter socket, undo these three nuts, and then also that one down there, where my finger is. And what you're gonna do is, this metal bracket, you're gonna take it out, put it to the side with the bolts or whatever, and you're gonna be able to rip off this half of the intake box. You see how it splits? You're gonna be able to rip off this half. Just like that, you have a lot of space to change out the low beam and the boomerang. For the fog lamp, you see this panel. There's like a panel. You're gonna undo these two clips, and the panel should come down, or at least you can look in. Or you can even put your hand in there. You put your hand in there, the bulb is like right here, where my hand is. So you can just unscrew it out. And also, for the boomerang light bulb, I ordered a pack of 10. They look like these. Where is it? Looks like these. 194, got a pack of 10. These are the ones I got. I'll even link everything down below. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take these 10 clips off. I think it's 10. You pull this weight, it's just gonna be bare metal. And I don't know if you can see that white sock back there, like where my finger is guided. Back there, you just pull that out, pull the little bulb, and you put the 194, and you get some nice bright lights. So I'm gonna show you guys how they all look. The lights are on. This is how the back looks. Super clean with the white. It lights up this whole part, and when it's actually dark out, it lights up the whole floor. So it kind of helps when reversing. The front looks pretty good as well. Way better than the regular stock white ones. See, you got the boomerang LED'd, low beam LED'd, and that LED'd. I didn't do the high beam, but this is how the high beam looks. You guys are curious? Well, the high beam, there is no high beam light. It just adds the daytime running light. So that's the daytime running light, it's white. It takes the, so for the WRX, when you put the high beam, it takes down the low beam. And it just glows those up. But it looks really good. I recommend changing it. I got the Hikari mid-grade ones, the red 6000K white. It looks insanely good. And yeah, I just suggest to do it. It's not hard at all. Anyone could do it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and it helped. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Yo, what up YouTube? This is your night ride of the WRX. This is how the lights look. This is just daytime running lights. It's more like spot on. But when you put the fog lights and the low beam, it just widens it. I mean, it's still far. So that's how that looks. If you guys enjoyed this, I know I wasn't so hands-on with installation, but I tried. I'm sorry. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you.